Next one we're going to learn how properly to do a retiré. A retiré is actually goes right where your knees is, crossing kind of like right above your knee. This one is a passé and this one is a retiré. Most of the time you'll see in the Vaganova syllabus that kids actually learning retiré position. So we're going to demonstrate how the leg has to open to the retiré. E, foot goes 1. E, you're going scratching that leg and keeping the position right here. Very important again, supporting leg. We do not pronate. We bring that calf muscle forward. You see how I'm rotating that part forward. As I rotate, knee has to stay open. And she loves to arch right here, so you have to keep that body forward. So arms have to stay right in front of you in the first position, right in front of your belly, which is where your belt is. Head is straight, and then you have to be standing very comfortable in retiré position. Now, in the retiré, you do not want to push the leg. You actually want to place the leg and hold it with outside muscles right here. Okay? And then the more you turn out, the more you open side, the more you stretch your foot, the more comfortable you're going to be. You have to connect your stomach muscles, yeah, almost pulling up, and the toe lifting it up. Don't try to lift the right hip up. It will go up by itself, but you want to keep that position actually square. So you want to really keep that hips square as much as possible and standing on your supporting leg. And that's your retiré position. Now, same thing, we have a retiré to the back, and leg goes, same thing, picks up, and we're keeping the heel in the back. Now, in the older classes, you're going to see that like it's going to a little bit change. So your foot is going to go into the toe because your leg is going higher. But as a level 1, you have to keep your heel connected in the back and keep that knee really open to the side. Okay? It's very important that you keep those knees open because that's what develops the strength and the flexibility same time. So you're not actually in the future at the center, you're not really falling. So the retirés are actually really great positions to master them and practice them, which is sometimes you will do 4 counts, the leg will go up, 4 counts going down. And that will actually make you find your balance as well for the future pirouettes. So that's what our retiré positions, front and side in the Vaganova style.